In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your age on Discord. If you've noticed your date of birth is wrong or you need to update it to access age-restricted features, the change isn't done inside the app, you'll submit a request through Discord's official support site, and I'll walk you through the exact form to use and how to fill it out clearly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Discord support. In the results, click the official support link. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Help Center layout from Discord. From there, find and select Submit a Request. This opens the page where all support tickets begin. At the top of the form, you'll see a drop-down labeled, "What can we help you with?" Open it and choose Appeals and Age Update Requests. This tells the system you're trying to fix your age information. A second drop-down labeled, "How can we help?" will appear. Select Update My Age Information. That ensures the form shows the field support needs for this specific request. Now work through the fields that appear. There's an optional phone number field. You can leave it empty, but adding a number can help support contact you if they need more details. There's also an optional server ID field. If your issue is affecting a particular server, including that ID can add helpful context, but it's not required. Enter your correct date of birth carefully. This should be accurate and final, so take a moment to double check it. Discord treats age updates seriously, and providing the correct information here will reduce back and forth later. Add a clear subject line, something like "Request to update date of birth." In the description box, briefly explain what's wrong and what your correct date of birth is. Keep it straightforward and honest. If there was a typo at sign up or an old account detail that carried over, mention that. Avoid sharing sensitive data beyond what Discord requests, and never include passwords or security codes. Before submitting, check the box, confirming you've read the instructions, then send the request. You'll receive an email with next steps. Watch your inbox and spam folder. Follow the directions carefully. Discord may ask for additional verification to confirm your age, and they'll explain exactly how to provide it. Respond promptly to keep your ticket moving, and avoid opening duplicate requests, which can slow things down. That's it. Simple, clear, and official. Submit the form, follow the email instructions, and you'll be on your way to getting your age updated on Discord.